Hey guys, a video on the S&P 500. Yeah, we need to be careful here, I think, because the past 2 days have been on high volume red. The RSI here again showing more bearish divergence, higher high on the price than if we take it from the correct. We have again a lower high on the RSI, okay? So we have to be careful. If next week starts red, I think we might be into a larger correction here. Let's quickly look at the major stocks here. Yeah, today is mad. Like, look at silver. This is insane. Minus 17 in one day. People, yeah. Okay, we're not gonna talk about everything here, but let's just focus on this here. Meta, we want to focus on holding this and move higher. I mean, Tesla looks good as well. This looks like to me it's gonna be an ending move here, and we're gonna break up here. Nvidia is also looking good. So like from this point of view, also then Oracle, I want to see a bounce. Yep, Google, I want to see correct, but like more of the larger stocks, also for Apple, I want to see price to the upside. It makes more sense that price goes up, okay? With that, I'm not like panicking yet, but if next week starts red and we get back into this value area high, into this volume range here, then we need to be careful. Then indeed this might already be in here, or just all of this is a larger wave 1 and this was never your wave 2 low, and we're gonna do this A, B, and then a C wave down. This was just an overshooting B wave. Always can be the case as well. Maybe this one is even a better scenario because you wicked above the all-time high. It's nice to label that as a B wave as well. I'm gonna do that for now. Of course, if next week starts green and strong, we will adjust it, but like this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here in a leading diagonal. That's why we had the 1 here. Then we put the wave 2 here, but maybe this is too short. And this price action here the last 2 days can be an indication of that. Then if you pull it like this can of course be both a running still, where the C wave does not take the A wave low and your target A wave low and the target starts at the 0.618, and it can also be a expanded flat where your C wave does take the A wave low and goes deeper. That's why we have to add all of the relevant fibs, I think. Like this, we're already at the 0.618. So if it's running, this could have been it, okay? ABC. This wave 2 goes here, but of course we need to wait for next week. I don't think today is gonna do anything else rather than sticking around here. But if next week starts red and pushes, breaks this value area high, yeah, we need to look at this area here, starting from 6,823 all the way down to 6,691. In between, we have the point of control here of this range. And the worst alarm bell is losing this point of control, in my opinion. If we close the daily below that, then we need to shift towards this scenario being a 5-wave move complete. Now doing then a larger wave 2, which will take more time and more price action to the downside. And from here then we can move up. What I did today is, because of this alarm thingy, I closed my, like, I had some margin positions, I closed them all, and now just I'm gonna wait. If price gets down here, I will try to re-enter where I think it's suitable, but for now it's best to just wait. I think the risk is higher with these two candles here. I wanted to see price move up here, break out here of this range here finally, but nope. And we need to respect that, okay? Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.